Okay, so right now, we're going to Costco and Trader Joe's. Woo! Shopping. There's so many people. Mom,
What?
what are we doing now?
Waiting in Costco line for pizza, which is surprising because they seem to be surprised that people want lunch at, well, lunchtime.
I freaking hate shopping. It takes so long. Well done, Mom. All done.
Well done.
Now where to?
Home,
Thank God.
unload, do homework, do work, get ready to play the funniest game ever, LOLs. It's gonna make all your vlogging
That
go
just
like
made me
10,000
cringe.
subscribers.
That just made me cringe. Okay, so right now I just met these people online. Say hi. Oh man. It's not. Oh my God.
I gotta do it, man.
Yeah.
It is Wednesday, my dudes.
It's not even Wednesday. The house is burning down. Oh my God, it's so loud. What did you do? It's so foggy. Oh my God, we're gonna die. We're gonna die. Look at this air. Look at, oh, you can't see it. It's super fog. Oh.
Peas and carrots.
Thanks, Mom.
Dad didn't do anything. Dad did everything.
Last night, like when all this was happening, after the house almost burned down, I hit 200 subscribers, which is crazy considering. So Wednesday we went 100. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, no, Wednesday night. So Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 4 days. So I already got another 100, and I'm just blown away because I love making these videos, and you guys actually like watching them, obviously. And now it's been like 20 hours later, and now how many do we have? 223. That's crazy. We're almost halfway to 500. That's 23 subscribers in like, let's look at subscriber an hour. I'm so happy. You guys honestly have no idea how much this means to me. Like, even that, just like for all other like big YouTubers, it's like nothing. 200 subscribers, oh wow. But for me, that's so awesome. I just want to thank you guys.